Actually, first of all, when we raise hand, most of us said that we are professionally qualified. मैंने जब हाथ उठाया था सबको ही, तो मेरे को ऐसे लगा कि ज़्यादातर लोग प्रोफेशनली क्वालिफाइड हैं. तो जो क्वेश्चंस अभी तक चल रहा था वो जो लोग नॉन ग्रेजुएट हैं उनके ऊपर से जा रहा था. दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग. सो the Q&A session we will be going at the end, because you can understand that our timing is 6 to 8. I don't want to extend it beyond 8 o'clock. 5 minute 10 minute इधर उधर. तो Q&A session we will be going when we are talking about 3 type of courses: IFRS, ACCA, CIMA. Then obviously comparison will be there. You will be thinking मेरे को क्या करना है, what I should be doing. That is, I am also understanding if I take myself on your shoes, and then I will think that कि मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए. इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी ऑल्सो. अपने वो बात बाद में कर रहे हैं. हम लोग का प्रोग्राम स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? अभी अपने फर्स्ट आवर में टारगेट था कि ACCA के बारे में बात करेंगे. देन मैंने प्रियंका से भी आई मीन टू से द क्वेश्चन शुड बी व्हाट इज़ द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ACCA, व्हाट आर द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, एम्प्लॉयमेंट. दैट यू आर नॉट आस्किंग. यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट सब्जेक्ट. ना वो तो मैं बोलूँगा ही, वॉट एवर, वो तो मेरा काम है ना. You should be focusing on कि what she can say about the industry, about the acceptability of ACCA. तो वो कोई पूछ नहीं रहा था, which we have called her mainly for that कि what is the opportunity of ACCA qualified persons in India and abroad. Basic question was that purpose of her being here कि आप लोग वो सब जाने. Regarding papers and all that I will be saying. So I will be taking 15-20 minutes only to cover the ACCA and IFRS. Then we will be discussing something about SEMA, because now again Tapajyoti sir is there and he is very experienced to tell you what is SEMA, what is the relevance. There are 2 persons here, SEMA member, Tapajyoti and Kirti. They will be able to tell you what is relevance of SEMA. And then I will be telling you exactly what is the exemption in SEMA, what are the paper fees and all that I will be telling. Those who are undergraduate, I will just request them, once the seminar is over, they should remain seated for 5-10 minutes, because there is some other things which I want to tell them only, because that is relevance for them. So जो लोग अंडर ग्रेजुएट है वो लोग केवल 5-10 मिनट और रुकिएगा. लेकिन अभी पहले हम लोग ACCA का पेपर्स वगैरह क्या है, क्या रेलेवेंस है, देख लेते हैं. 15-20 मिनट्स. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी क्वेश्चन फॉर द टाइम बिंग. आप अपना ध्यान रखिए. यू कैन राइट ऑन द पैड एंड लेटर ऑन वी कैन डिस्कस वॉट एवर क्वेश्चन यू हैव. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट विल टेक ह्यूज टाइम. I'm not saying good evening or all that. That is general. Okay? All got that. So if we talk about ACCA, first of all, they have the global presence. This is the global presence of ACCA. And all those things which are there can be shared with you. But these are generally freely available on YouTube or Google. So there is nothing which I'm showing you something wow like that. Just that कि अपने सारी चीज़ें देखते नहीं है ना, जो नहीं देखना वो देखते नहीं है, वो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. So this is the presence of ACCA in the globe. Okay. Now, if we go on statistics, 1,85,000 members. Just now we discussed 4,75,000 students. The number of members are less because generally in international qualifications, like ma'am did ACCA in 2011, but she became member in 2013. Why? Why the 2 years gap? Kirti did SEMA in 1.5 years back, and she got membership of SEMA just now. Why? क्वेश्चन है, आंसर देंगे बाद में. सो इफ यू सी द मेंबर्स आर लेस, बट देयर आर मैनी क्वालिफाइड्स ऑल्सो. सो 1,85,000 इज द मेंबर्स. देयर आर मैनी हु आर क्वालिफाइड बट दे हैव नॉट टेकन द मेंबरशिप. देयर इज रीजन बिहाइंड दैट. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू. नाउ दिस इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ACCA. 1904 द इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर्म्ड. सो इट्स, you can say that a institute cannot be established for more than 100 years if they don't have credibility. The question of credibility doesn't arise just by saying these things. And this is the first body in 1996 who started IFRS course, or you can say credibility of IFRS. An institute over the entire world can be given by ACCA or given by ACCA in 1996, first of all anywhere in the world. So by this is statistics. It's 100% credible institute, and it will give you credibility to your name which you require. जो हम लोग को चाहिए वो मिलेगा. ना अपना एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इसमें है कि नहीं वो सेकेंडरी है. But the institute, we cannot question that. It is a course. We are sitting in this room and there are 4,85,000 students are there. So it is not a course that requires any credibility. That question doesn't arise. Regarding the statistics, we can see that everything is there in ACCA. Then what the ACCA has done, I am not going into that, because main purpose is these are the employer who are hiring ACCA, and those who are doing CA or who have become chartered accountant. Just one word, it's a global chartered accountant. If we think about ACCA, it's a global chartered accountancy. The reason of comparing ACCA and CA, pass percentage is very important. In CA, the pass percentage is 10%, here it is 50%. So you can see 5 times, and if you are an average student and you study properly, there is no chance that you can fail in this course. So it's like BCom course. You are understanding? Now, in India, where we get the opportunities, it's not only for Big Four, because ACCA is a brand name, and you will be getting the job opportunities. Not that this is written just like that. You can search on Google that in this company, 3i Group, who are the ACCA members working, that search can be done by you also. It's all fact that these are the companies which are hiring ACCA in India. The competency test, because as a general student, if you say at your level, if I am a student, मेरे को कुछ समझ में आता नहीं है, लीडरशिप, लॉ, टैक्सेशन, जनरल समझ में आता है, बट इसके अंदर तभी जा सकते हैं जब समझ में आता है सब्जेक्ट के अंदर क्या है, what the subject actually want to teach. Then only you can understand competency, what they want to say. But obviously there is huge meaning in this, but at this level I cannot communicate, because yesterday Vidisha was saying me, why you are not talking about competency. I said that even I am not able to explain competency in 10 classes of 3 hours each. So आधे घंटे में competency कहाँ से बताएंगे? It is not possible to explain competency here. वो competency जब पढ़ेंगे तभी feel आता है. It covers everything which is actually said. Now this is the ACCA syllabus, which you have, everybody has this seat. Yeah. Which is the entire course of ACCA. They are saying that according to ACCA, we have 3 entry level. First is after 10. A student can start studying ACCA even after 10 before 12. यानी कि अगर अपने प्री ग्रेजुएट हैं और अपने ऐसा सोचेंगे अपने ऑलरेडी 2 साल लेट हैं, this course can be started even before graduation at 10, and with ACCA help, we will be targeting those students who will be doing 11, 12, and they will be starting ACCA, a global qualification at the time of 11, 12. Since इस रूम में कोई भी वो नहीं है, आपने उसके बारे में बात करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. Those who are 10+2 qualified, those who are undergraduate, उनके लिए F1 से लेकर, इसको मैंने शॉर्ट में इस तरह से बनाया है, F1 से लेकर F9, वही चीज़ है इन इंडियन लैंग्वेज. ठीक है. F1 to F9 there are 9 papers, and then P1 to P7 there are 7 papers. You can see here, this is not there. को मिल जाएगा. Everybody will be mailed this entire thing so that you can refer in your house, and whatever you ask, you can ask any time with my staff or from me. Last option में 4 में 2 है, यानी कि we say that ACCA syllabus is F1 to 9 papers, and then professional के अंदर 3 compulsory, 2 optional. It is 9 + 5, 14 papers. For 10+2 student, all 14 needs to be given. For graduate, F1, F2, F3 is exempt. Then F4 to P7 needs to be given. That is, you can say 6 + 3, 9 + 2, 11. 3 paper exempt. Those who are professionally qualified, CA, CMA, MBA recognized institute. MBA के लिए there is a confusion. We need to place our document to the institute, and if we are getting all 9 paper exemption, we will get. Otherwise, maybe 3 plus something. You do not guarantee. If from somebody from IIM, then it's for that reason I am saying for MBA we need to think that from where we have done the MBA, उसके basis पे 3 तो मिलेगा ही, लेकिन और क्या exemption मिलेगा वो depend करता है आपने कहाँ से MBA किया है. If somebody in this room from MBA, I am not in a position to tell him that what exemption he will be getting. For a CA, for a CMA, 3 paper plus 2 paper, 5 paper. And believe me, these 5 paper can be completed maximum 1.25 year, and you will be getting the signing authority in 45 countries, along with China, Singapore, बहुत सारे countries हैं, Hong Kong, full Europe, UK, मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज में आपको सब जगह बैलेंस शीट फाइनेंशियल साइन करना अलाउड है, जो एक चार्टेड को बहुत 90 डिग्री समझ में आ रहा है कि चार्टेड अकाउंटेंसी कर रहे हैं क्यों, क्योंकि इंडिया में अपने को साइनिंग अथॉरिटी चाहिए. अपने को इतने वर्ल्ड में इतने कंट्रीज में अथॉरिटी मिलेगा, वी कैन प्लेस एनीवेयर वी वांट, एंड सिंस द कोर्स इंक्लूड्स दोज थिंग्स विच इज गिविंग अ साइनिंग अथॉरिटी, इसीलिए लोग कर रहे हैं, कोई बेवकूफ़ तो है नहीं. व्हेन आई एम सेइंग वी डूइंग, इट इज नॉट दैट वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड थिंग. Everybody understand this, what the course has. They have global presence and incorporating everything which is required for audit, for taxation, for financial matters, for managing business, whatever is required is covered in the syllabus. So it's those who are CA, they can complete it in maximum 1.25 year. I've written this as 10 plus 2. So 14 papers needs to be given for those who are 10 plus 2 qualified undergraduate. And it can be completed simultaneously along with graduation. In 3 years, it can be completed. Those who are excluded the 3 papers, so 5, 11 papers. Those who are CA, CMA, MBA, then in that case, it is 5 papers, 3 plus 2. 4 में से 2 ऑप्शन है, कौन सा करेंगे वो डिपेंड करता है अपना इंटरेस्ट पे. What area you have interest, उसमें से 4 में से twice 2. If you go for, this is the institute fees, this is our fees for different subjects. If I will say for a 10 plus 2 student, the expenditure will be around 3,50,000, 60,000 in an entire year, 3 years में. 3 साल में खर्चा होएगा 3.5 लाख रुपया करीब. Now we have converted all payment of pound into 90 because nowadays pound is going on at around 86, 87. So I have taken already 3-4 rupees more. But in 3 years, what will be the rate of pound? Nobody knows. So we should always take plus minus 5% into this because the payment will be in pound, which will be converted into rupee. So equivalent rupee value we don't know. अभी तो सारे पैसे देने नहीं है. In 3 years we need to give this. Those who will be pursuing ACCA just after 10 plus 2, it will take around 3 years and the expenditure will be around 3.5 lakh. If you will be doing, if you are already graduate, then the expenditure will be around 3 lakh. Because some of the 3 papers are exempt, so there will be some exemption fee which you don't. All these things are coming around 3 lakh. There may be some plus minus 5%. If somebody is professional CA, CMA, MBA, then in that case it will be coming around 2 lakh 44. That is 2 lakh 50,000. Okay? Now this is just you can say some of prominent or you can say famous persons who have done ACCA, what they say about this qualification after doing this. Some testimonials are there. I think most of the faces, if you are generally aware of the corporate development, most of the faces are those which are famous only already in India. If you see them, because मेरे को भी ऐसा देख के लगता है generally 1 or 2 को कि I have heard about them. So it's basically they are saying what about ACCA is written there. Now, if somebody is only interested in IFRS, not going to study the entire ACCA program, उसको केवल IFRS पढ़ने की इच्छा है. IFRS में there are 2 types of courses. One is IFRS certification and one is IFRS diploma. Diploma in IFRS. IFRS certification can be done by anybody. No experience, nothing is required. IFRS diploma can be done only by those who have some experience. Articleship is fully counted as an experience in IFRS. If you are a professionally qualified, आपको केवल IFRS के बारे में ध्यान देना है, या आप CA वगैरह नहीं हैं, ग्रेजुएट हैं, लेकिन आपका अच्छा ऑलरेडी जॉब है, आपको उतना पढ़ने का मन नहीं है, then in that case you can think of diploma IFRS, which is around a 6 months, 8 months course, which will be focusing all practical aspect of IFRS. एक एग्जाम होता है, one exam, which will be given 6 monthly either in December or in June. Anybody can sit, and when he clears the exam, he will get the diploma in IFRS certificate from ACCA direct only, which we will be also conducting because we have received queries from many professionals, not only in India, in the globe, that they are interested in doing IFRS course, that they are not interested in full